Affordable kitchen design ideas for any home. Welcome to our channel where today we are diving into the world of low-budget kitchen design ideas. Transform your cooking space without breaking any protocol. First up, consider the power of paint. A fresh coat can change the entire look of your kitchen. Opt for light colors to make the space feel bigger and brighter. Next, updating cabinet hardware can make a huge difference. Choose modern handles or knobs that add a chic touch without costing a fortune. It's a small change that has big impact. Open shelving is not only trendy but also cost-effective. Remove upper cabinet doors or install new shelves. This opens up the space and lets you display your favorite dishes or plants. Consider DIY solutions for backsplashes. Peel and stick tiles are affordable and easy to apply. They come in various patterns and colors, allowing you to add personality to your kitchen quickly. Lighting can dramatically enhance your kitchen's appeal. Replace outdated fixtures with brighter, energy-efficient models. Look for sales or second-hand stores for unique pieces that don't cost much. If your countertops look worn, don't replace them, revamp them. Use a countertop painting kit or cover them with a heavy-duty contact paper for a fresh appearance. Utilizing your wall space effectively can free up more counter space. Install hanging systems for utensils and pots. Magnetic knife strips are also a stylish and practical addition. Flooring can be an expensive swap, but not if you go for vinyl or laminate options. These materials mimic the look of wood or tiles but at a fraction of the cost. Create a cohesive look with textiles. Matching curtains, towels, and oven mitts can make your kitchen look planned and put together. Pick patterns that complement your color scheme. Don't underestimate the power of good organization. Use drawer dividers, spice racks, and undershelf baskets to maximize space. A tidy kitchen feels larger and more inviting. Consider alternative furniture options like a repurposed table as an island. It adds functionality and a point of interest. Hunt for pieces at thrift stores or garage sales. Plants can bring life to your kitchen without costing much. Choose herbs for a practical addition that's both decorative and useful for cooking. Finally, personalize your kitchen with art or decorative plates. Choose items that reflect your style and add color or texture to your walls. Thank you for watching. Try out these tips to beautifully transform your kitchen on a budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your own ideas or questions.